Hey everyone, welcome to this amazing tutorial. This is my Mahapatra, and today let's see what is Daytona and how we can integrate Daytona with one of our projects. So let's get started. Daytona is an open source development environment manager that helps us in reproducing development environments based on standard OCI containers, which are built-in support for dev container standards. Daytona architecture provides the future possibility to base workspace on other configuration standards such as Dockerfile, Docker Compose, Next, DevFile, and many more. So let's get started and see how we can integrate Daytona into one of our projects. So let's move on and see the installation process. So I'm using a Windows system. So I will be installing on Windows system. I have installed it once, so now I will guide you how you can install it properly. So you can see that to do install here, first we have to go and open up PowerShell as an administrator. Hope you can see this, run as administrator. Yes. Then what you have to do is just go on and copy this. Okay. Paste this here, and the system will be running fine. After it installs, what we have to do is we have to go and set up our Git provider. Daytona add Git provider. You just have to copy this, and then you have to select one of the Git providers: GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, others. Okay. Once we have done that, then we can move on to a providers like AWS, Azure, Docker, many providers. So we can set up that, and at last targets. What as I set target. In my case, I had set Docker, so you can set accordingly. And at last ID. It also gives us the feature to select ID, Daytona ID. Selecting these five features, get provider, provider, target, ID, we have completed our Daytona installation process. It was so easy. Just to inform you, when we are doing this step, Daytona get providers add while authenticating using any platform. In my case, I authenticated using GitHub. I have to put my public SSH key of the GitHub account. So as you put that, then you can get it. And to find the public SSH key or to generate public SSH key, I will mention a video in the description section. Do check it out if you want the SSH key. Now let's move on to the project and let's see how we will integrate Daytona into our project. So let's see the project first, a quick overview of the project. This project aims to connect your Shopify store with Amazon's multi-channel fulfillment, simplifying inventory, shipping, and order management. So we had built this project for a recent hackathon, that is Amazon Summer Hackathon. So I will just give you a quick 10 seconds overview of the project. So this is a project where we can place orders, you can buy, you can place your shipments, you can manage your inventory, and all through this one project. So you can set up your orders and you can set up inventories, connect to Shopify, and many more things. Let's go and see at how we can initialize Daytona in our project and how easy it makes Daytona to spin up our project in any dev environment. So let's get started. Okay. Let's first go, and this is the very important step that we have to build a dev.container. This is the main crux, a dev.container in our repo. So you can easily make this by the AI that is given. So you just copy paste the URL of your project here. Just click on generate. So what it will do is it will generate a dev container for you. So easy. So once the dev container is generated, what you have to do is you have to come here and you have to make a .dev container, and you have to make dev container.json. So you can see that I have already made it. So once you are done with this, what you have to do is, if you have done the process of installation correctly, this step will run fine for you. You can see that Daytona version is showing perfectly. So first what I will do is I will first spin up the environment, the server of Daytona. You can see that our server is starting. You can see that our server has started and Daytona says you may begin developing now. So what we'll do is we'll open another terminal, and since our Daytona server is already running, what we'll do is Daytona create our repo link. Daytona create our repo link, and you will see that it creates an environment for our particular repository. Far our work has been done, so this is almost done. It will be faster for us. Let's close this process and in GitHub code space, and we'll see that if it's setting up nicely or not. Let me refresh it. You can see that I have added the changes. Let's go and open up our code space. Amazon Suburb. So you can see that it directly took the changes. It directly took the dev container configuration that I have made. Let's go and select port core, create code space. See that the code space has been created. Go and see our logs. That is view creation logs, because I have not done npm install or anything now. So let's go and see what it has done. Okay, okay. So finished configuring code space. Logs. It is successfully running the Docker environment that I have given, and it's finally exporting the image. And once it exports it, it will also host it accordingly. You can see running it over here. So you can see that I have not run a single command till now, and everything is already set up for me. Every environment, every running thing. So I have not to worry about any environment that had to be set up or any tool that I had to set up manually. You can see here our website is live. Okay, this is how easy Daytona makes our journey of development so easy. So with this, I wrap up this video. If you have any doubt, don't hesitate to ask it in the comment section. With this, bye bye, take care.